In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Discord channel read-only on mobile. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to your Discord server, and you need to be the server owner or at least have admin. So what you want to do from here is you either want to select on the channel you want to make read-only, or you guys can go ahead and create a channel that is read-only. So to do that, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and press over here, then select on create channel. Then you can go ahead and just call it whatever you want. So I'm just going to be calling it read-only, just like so. Then I'm going to be creating it. All right, afterwards, all you want to do is you want to select on it just like this. Then you want to go ahead and select on edit channel. Afterwards, what you need to do is you need to tap permissions. Then you want to go over here to where it says advanced view. Then you want to go ahead and select on add everybody. And from here, scroll down until you see text channel permissions and make sure that send messages is turned off. Same thing with send messages in threads, create public threads, and create private threads as well. So you need to make sure that these settings are turned off in order for it to work. So there you go. And then afterwards, it is good to go. And this will be a read-only channel. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.